What's up, C Squad? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to tell you about the way of using an angle grinder. An angle grinder or side grinder is a handheld power tool used for grinding, metal cutting, polishing, and much more. Grinders comes in different sizes. Larger grinders are also available, but 4-inch and 4.5-inch angle grinders are more popular and they are with right size for many tasks. Here we are using a 4-inch angle grinder. With the angle grinder, you are also getting a prong spanner, wrench spanner, wheel guard, auxiliary handle, and an instruction manual like this. Always carefully read all the instructions and understand about the way of using the device. You will also get a warranty card and pair of carbon brushes. Later I will show you the way of replacing the carbon brushes. The ability to handle different wheels and accessories it what makes angle grinders so versatile and save you a lot of time and energy. Your angle grinder includes a spindle washer and a spindle nut that can install in with different wheels. When you are choosing an angle grinder, choose a right type of grinder and wheel attachments. With angle grinders, you can use wheels or disc like sanding disc, polishing pads, diamond touch pointing wheels, grinding wheels, cutting disc, wire cup brush, and wire wheels. This is a dry cut diamond wheel and you can use it to cut tiles, masonry, stone, pipes, and concrete. This is a metal cut-off wheel and you can use it to cut bars, rods, bolts, steel or metal, and these type of wheels are worn out quickly than others. This is a wire cup brush and with this you can clean rust, dried cement and dirt from tools and always secure the work with clamps when you are working. This is a prong spanner this and a wrench spanner and you can use them to fix and replace wheels from the device. This is a wrench spanner. These are some wheels that we can use with angle grinders. We can also use sanding disc and polishing pads for finishing works. Here you can also see the way of handling a prong spanner and wrench spanner when replacing wheels. The nut with 4 holes is called a flange nut. This is a sanding disc. Before you fixing this to the device, first place a sanding paper on top of the disc and take flange nut and wheel below that out from the grinder. Then take the disc and rotate it in clockwise direction to fit it tightly. With grinding disc, you can grind metal and stone and use them in sharpening tasks. Guys, never use a cutting disc for grinding. Then let's see how to replace carbon brushes when they worn out. First of all, you need to remove screws at both sides and remove the old brushes and replace them with new ones. Then fix the two screws again. You need to check carbon brushes regularly. When the carbon brushes are worn to 5 to 6 millimeters, they must be changed in pairs. After the brushes are changed, first let the device to rotate idly for 15 minutes in order to make the brushes contact well with commutators. The air vent of the tool should be cleaned regularly to avoid the motor being heated. These are the worn out brushes and this is a new carbon brush and you can clearly see the difference between them. At bottom of the angle grinder you can see the on off switch. These are some instances that we can practically use angle grinders. Here we are using angle grinder with diamond blade to cut tiles and pipes. To fix a wheel to the disc, you need to turn the prong spanner in the opposite direction of the direction arrow located on the bottom. While using the wrench spanner to keep the disc from turning. There may also be a button on your side grinder that will hold the disc in place. I will also add a complete in-detail instructions for replacing wheels down in the description. Anger grinders produce a large amount of dust and sparks, so you need to wear goggles, touch gloves, protective boots and dust mask when you are working. If you are a beginner with a device like this, I am highly recommended you to use above protective wear when you are working. Here we are using a sanding disc to sand a wood surface. After the tool is switched on, you must first wait till the disc reaches the highest speed and then begin to work with the grinding operation. Guys, that's for the today's vlog. Keep subscribing, keep commenting, and keep liking the videos. I hope you all enjoy the video. Have a nice day. See you soon.